under KTN News.
All right, thank you very much, Alan. Now to matters food. Now, food insecurity compounded by rising food prices and inadequate rainfall resulting from 4 consecutively failed rain season has caused food scarcity in many households in rural Kenya. Now, the 2022 Kenya Demographic and Health Survey indicates that stunted growth is higher among children in rural areas at 20%, with Kilifi County registering the highest percentage at 37%, followed by West Pokot at 34% and Samburu at 31%. Amidst challenges, Kilifi County, through the National Agriculture and Rural Inclusive Growth Project, launched a nutrition initiative by mainstreaming kitchen garden as part of a community-based integrated agriculture, nutrition and water harvesting program. Here is that report.
What was once a barren parched land now stands as a lush oasis of greenery, dotted with vibrant fields of crops swaying gently in the breeze. At the heart of this remarkable revival lies innovative farming systems. The kitchen garden system has become a lifeline for vulnerable women and children, offering them not only financial freedom, but also food.
And the intentions for this was to support the livelihood. Most of the beneficiaries most of them are the vulnerables, either the widows or suffering from some diseases. So we are trying to support them at the household level.
Meet Samuel Kazungu, a father of 7, and a resilient farmer from Shongoleni village, Ganda ward. He fractured his leg in a tragic road accident in 2000, leaving him unable to continue his work in the hotel industry. This unexpected turn of events shifted the family dynamics, with Zawadi Rimba taking on the role of the sole breadwinner.
Mradi ulipoingia umenisaidia sana. Manake nafanya kazi hii ya kupanda mboga, napata 50, 20.
Nilikuwa mimi ni mama wa kuhangaika. Manake nilikuwa namwacha mzee hapa, nikitoka nikaenda tafuta, ni mtu wa kuitwa hapa, nifanye kazi kama ni ya kufulia.
Seeing vulnerable families struggle to access food and witnessing the rising cases of malnutrition amid 3 consecutive years of failed rains, the county government of Kilifi, through the National Agricultural and Rural Inclusive Growth Project, NARIC, launched the kitchen garden system as a beacon of hope for rural families.
Hapa kuna siku nyingine niliuza mboga za 500. Manake alikuwa anakuja mmoja, anataka hii sukuma, mwingine anakuja anataka hii spinach, mwingine anakuja anataka hizi.
These kitchen gardens provide a lasting lifeline for families like Kazungu's, offering not only a lifeline in times of scarcity, but also the promise of a brighter, healthier future for the children of Kilifi.
Hapo wakati wa mara nyingine hata ilikuwa nakula mara moja kwa siku. Kwa sababu naweza kuamka asubuhi sina chochote. Nikatoka. Nikafika hata mtaa wengine unaitwa Kakuyuni, naenda kuuza makuti. Mradi umenisaidia, manake saa hii sinunui mboga kwa urahisi. Mboga niko nazo tele. Yule msichana mdogo, yule alikuwa mara afya yake iko chini. Manake huyo ni mtu wa kuchagua mboga. Lakini tangu ingie huu mradi, namuona zile zote ambazo zinapandwa anakula. Na saa hii si mtu wa kuwa mara hospitali, mara hivi unaambiwa mtoto mpate chakula bora, mara mpate hivi. Kwa hivyo nasema imenipunguzia gharama.
Embracing the potential of the green technology, the farm utilizes solar-powered pumps and eco-friendly machinery. This sustainable approach not only reduces the carbon footprints, but also reduces dependence on the fossil fuels, contributing to the fight against climate change.
Our handicap could be probably availability of water for irrigation, where we don't have rivers. If some dams can be done, big dams, I think agriculture may not be a problem there.
Through a local saving group known as Chama, Zawadi has managed to save and invest in her future. She recently purchased a goat, a symbol of her growing financial independence. The 2022 Kenya Demographic and Health Survey paints a grim picture, with Kilifi County registering the highest at 37% for stunting, while 1 in 5 children under the age of 5 is underweight. For Fatuma Gude, a widow of 10 and a farmer from Kondoni village, the kitchen garden was a savior for her grandchildren, protecting them from malnutrition.
Mboga ninasaidika hata nikikosa mboga nimeshelewa na kazi. Naenda tu hapo nyuma naenda kutunda mboga. Takuja kupika na wajukuu wangu tunakula. Mwenzangu pia ameshelewa kwa kazi. Anakuja namsaidia na ananunua zile mboga naenda kupika na mimi nasaidika na ile pesa.
The primary goal of this initiative is to boost food availability at the household level by promoting the cultivation of a wide variety of fruits and vegetables. This enables family to diversify their diets and ensure they have access to essential nutrients.
Our farmers, if they have anything they want to do about farming and they feel that they need information, they normally go to the extension officer. So they are given the right information about what they want to do with regards to farming.
We are able to aggregate these farmers' produce together, and then we are again going to link them with circles.
We drive east of Jilore to meet Irene Mbeyu, retired but not tired. She has diversified her kitchen garden farming system into organic farming, generating an average of 30,000 Kenyan shillings every month from the farm.
Likuwa mboga hakuna, ni mpaka ngoje za kutoka huko mbali ndio zije ziuzwe na wewe upate. Lakini kwa saa hizi tuko na mboga tuko nazo, tuko na paipai tuko nazo, tuko na viazi tamu tuko nazo.
The kitchen garden system has fostered a spirit of unity and cooperation among community members. Families like Samuel Kazungu, Fatuma Gude from Kondoni village, and Irene Mbeyu can now provide both financial stability and improved nutrition for their families. Levis Msumba, KTN News.
All right, thank you very much, Levis. Now